ulit ni ma'am kasi kailangan kong kunin yung summative scores nyo. Need ko lang na i-chat niya dito sa chat box. Okay, Erica. How about the others?
Paano nyo naman makukuha ang mga score mula to lowest, media, high sa test na to?
Siguro gagamitin ko yung tinuro sa atin na Mendeley and Sheets method. Doon kasi makikita natin yung highest to lowest and yung middle. Siguro magagamit natin yun.
As to able to use the Mendel-Hall and Sheets method, first we're gonna jot down all the scores that we gather. After jotting down all score that we gather, let's use first the lowest quartile. The formula for this is Q is represent for quartile. Our first target is to get the lower quartile. Formula for this is 0.25 times n plus 1. N is for number of all the given scores, and then plus 1. If we substitute this, we will have 0.25 times 5 plus 1. We will get 0.25 times 6 because we already add the 5 to 1. And then multiply, we will get 1.5. We're gonna round off this and we will get 2. Because of that, our lowest is 21 because of the given 2. Our next target is the median quartile. Our formula to this is quartile for Q, and then the formula is 0.5 times n plus 1. Again, n is the number of the given numbers. Apply the first step that we do, which is add and then multiply all overall. At this point, we will not gonna round off because it's already a whole number. And then the final score is 3. Next, let's proceed to the highest or the upper quartile. Again, Q is for the quartile. The formula for this is 0.75 times n plus 1. Like the same procedure, multiply, add, and then round off if needed. When we multiply 0.5 times 6, we will get 4.5, and we're gonna round off this to 5. And this means our upper quartile is the 5th place, which is 29.
Gusto ko sana malaman ba if pasado ako sa summative natin. Pwede mo bang alamin yun?
Sige, chat ko na lang sa'yo. Ano nga palang score mo?
Sige be, bali 25 pala ako.
Sige, chat ko na lang sa'yo yung kung ilang percent ka. Tignan natin kung pasado ba.
Applying the percentile rank. First, we're gonna jot down all the scores that we gather. I arranged this from highest to lowest that my teachers gave to us. And his score is 25, so let's see how percent he will be. Placing in percentile is important to this. Always remember that. After jotting down all the given numbers, now let's proceed to the formula. The formula for this is percentile rank of x is equals to numbers of value below x plus 0.5, and then we divided by n times 100. This formula, the number of value below x is represent to the placing of the scores that we will get, which is 7. Again, the n is the number of overall given scores or given numbers to you that you will use. After knowing the formula, now Let's substitute all. Again, the number value below x is 7, and then plus it by 0.5, then divided by n, which is 10 because we all have 10 given numbers, and then multiply it by 100. First, let's add the 7 plus 0.5, which is equal to 7.5. Then divided by 10 times 100. In this part, if your calculator are not able to combine overall, you can do divide first and then multiply it. After doing this step, we can get now the percent per course, which is 75. Congrats, Alex Pasado.